Helper of FCI truck loaded with rice bags approaching toward Manipur found dead in a suspicious manner and driver found in unconscious state at Jirighat of Assam near Marwari Dhaba. The driver has been admitted to Silchar Medical College for treatment. As per information received by SKTV News, the duo reached Jirighat on May 13 and parked their truck near a new petrol pump at Lakhipur of Jirighat. The duo went missing after they left Jirighat for Assam's Jirighat to have breakfast on May 14. Later, some of the collect drivers searched them at Jirighat and nearby areas. During the search, the helper of the truck, identified as Michael, 28 years, of Kaino, Bishnupur district, was found dead near a Marwari hotel in Jirighat, and the driver, identified as Abung, was again found unconscious inside a cement carrier truck. Later, the duo was admitted to Silchar Medical College this morning. Soon after receiving the information, Assam police took the drivers and helper of the cement-loaded truck bearing registration number MN05C1205 in their custody. However, there is no accurate information yet about the suspicious death of helper Thokchom Michael.